I don't know the road we'll take, but I'm down for the journey. Down for the journey. They tell me say your boy slow down, but a man must grow. Even though I was born at 9, it'll be last night them born me. What I wanna do, yeah. All I wanna do right now. Baby, what I wanna do is...
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Come in, darling. Welcome. Today I'm going to be showing you guys the tutorial on this beautiful makeup look that I have on. So first off, I just started by cleansing my face with the Garnier Micellar cleansing water. I put it on wipes and that's what I'm using to cleanse my face right now. Then next I'm going to go into the Ghunueffect rose water. I'm just going to spray this onto my skin. Guys, skincare very important even before you do your makeup. Then after I let that dry, I went into the Bregha and Omaricode what's it called, Hydrate moisturizing primer. I have dry skin, by the way, so like this primer, like the name implies, hydrates my skin and leaves it feeling wonderful before I put on my makeup. Then after massaging this into my skin, I'm going to go into this Always on the Glow from Tm.essentials. I'm going to apply this on the highest point of my face, like I'm doing right now, using this Evita Joseph brush. Then after blending this everywhere that I want it to be on, I'm going to go into the Hudabeauty Foundation. This is the shade Nutmeg. So I'm just blending in using the Hudabeauty Buffing Foundation brush. I'm just going to blend this everywhere. After applying it everywhere, I'm going to go into the Nuban Beauty Seal It setting spray. Spray it all over my face like so. Then I'm going to go into my best beauty sponge ever. It's so freaking soft, you guys. It's the Allure by Chloe beauty sponge. Like ever since I found this beauty sponge, like every other one has just taken a back seat because it's so soft, like oh my god. So it makes blending so good. Then I'm going to go into the Black Opal stick foundation in the shade Ebony Brown, still using that same Huda Beauty brush. I'm going to use the other end of it to apply the contour. Then I'm going to go ahead and blend it with the other end of the brush, the end that I used to apply foundation. Like this brush is just multi-purpose. Then I'm going to use the Huda Beauty to highlight my face. I'm using the Huda Beauty concealer in the shade Peanut Butter. So I'm just using the beauty sponge to apply it in the areas that I normally would. I'm going to link my updated foundation, highlight and contour routine up here. Guys, please let me know if you want to see an updated one, because I realized that one is like almost, I'm sure it's over a year old already. But yeah, like I didn't go into detail in this video because like I do this in all my videos, so I didn't want it to be repetitive. So after doing this, I'm going to go ahead and contour my nose with the Black Opal foundation. I mixed carob and ebony brown for my nose contour. You don't want your nose contour to be too dark, ladies, okay? I just used a blending brush, an angled blending brush to apply it. Then after which I went into the Talk Glam Micro Beauty Sponge, and I'm just using this to blend it so that my nose contour is not harsh. Next, I'm going into MAC Mineralized Skin Finish Powder in Dark. I'm just using this to set all the areas that I applied the highlight color using this Nuban Beauty powder brush. I'm going to go into the Lauramercier translucent setting powder and use that same micro beauty sponge I used earlier to set it properly. Like, I'm not baking, I'm literally just setting and pushing everything in. Then for my nose highlights, I'm setting it with the Hydrate flat brush so that I get that precise line on my nose. Then to set my contour, I'm using Milani Earth Glow powder, pressed powder. I forget the shade, I'm so sorry. Like, it's rub off. I've had it for a while, so I'm just using this to set my contour areas. And I'm going to go into the Mineral Skin Finish powder in Dark Deepest to set the rest of my face. So I went off camera to do my eyebrows. I'm going to link my eyebrow routine up here. To start off my eyeshadow, I'm prepping my eyes using the Morphe eyeshadow primer. I'm just blending this in with my fingertips. Then now I'm going into the Beautybyad AD Imani eyeshadow palette. Guys, you see that this eyeshadow palette is well loved. Like, I've used it so many times. So I'm just showing you guys the transition shades I used. I used those two for my transition. This eyeshadow palette is so buttery. Like, guys, I love it so freaking much. So I'm going to use this dark brown to contour. So I'm just applying this on the outer corner of my eyes. Then I'm blending it out with a blending brush here. Like you see, I switched to a bigger blending brush to blend everything. Then this is the main color I'm using, Abiola. Guys, look at that pigmentation. Like, God, I love how these eyeshadows feel. Like, I can't really explain it, but like when you swatch them, they feel buttery. They feel, oh God, I don't know how to explain it, but yeah, I really love it. That's what I'm trying to say. So I went back into that dark brown to blend the edge of the main color so it doesn't have a sharp line there. Then I went into this shade to blend the main color into the contour shades, if that makes any sense. Now I'm going to go into the Soopro Chunky Glitter stack. This stack, I love it so much. I'm using that green chunky glitter and placing it like so on the main lid. Guys, this thing just took this look to a whole other level. Like, it was a bit subtle before, and then this one just gave it va-voom, va-va-voom. Guys, take a second to appreciate how beautiful this looks. Yes, honey. And I'm going into the Inglot number 77 gel liner to line my eyes and get that wink snatched. To finish off the eyes, I went into this That Girl That Means pigment, this blue shade. I mixed it with a little bit of Benai, eyeshadow primer. I mixed it together to get this beautiful, beautiful color in my waterline. Like, I loved this so much. I love putting colors in my waterline like this. You see how gorgeous that looked. Then I'm going into the Mood Beauty eyeshadow palette. I'm mixing these two shades of blue. And I'm going to use this to smudge my lower lash line with a smudge brush like I'm doing right now. And I took that same chunky glitter, used a liner brush. Oh guys, I didn't mention I'm using a glitter glue to apply it. I used the NYX glitter glue. You can use any one. You can even use classic glitter glue. Like, hello, that looks bomb, innit? Then I'm using the Zaron mascara. This is like the only mascara I use. You guys already know it's a volumizing mascara. Like, even if you don't have lashes will come out by fire by force. And I went into this Wink bottom lashes, the single ones, the individual ones. So I'm just applying them one by one. Very easy, guys. So this is what it's looking like when I'm done. Then I went into Wynkklashes in Tombs. guys, this is the longest lashes I've ever worn, and like I was so scared to wear this, but like it wasn't even as bad as I thought it was going to be. It came out bomb. What? Excuse you. This is what it looks like. This is the packaging. And now I'm going into blush, and I'm using this one from MAC in Ambrin Rose. I know you're wondering, I changed my background. And the highlighter I'm using is Sunset Aurora from Anastasia Beverly Hills. I literally filmed this video in 2 different places, in my house and in my office. I had to meet up with an appointment, so hence why the background is different. So I'm using a liner brush to apply my nose highlighter, but make sure you blend that in later on with a brush, with a powder brush. For my lips, I'm lining with the Yangabeauty Choco. Then I went into Fun LA Girl Fun Concealer. Yes, I know. Mixed it together, put Yangabeauty gloss on my lips, and that is... Oh no, we're not done. But like, guys, you see how gloss just switched that lips up. Oh! Then I'm using the Tm.essentials Glow Setting Spray. And that is the look all done. Hello, gorgeous. You are a queen. I mean, look at this beauty, guys. Like, take a second to appreciate this beautiful melanin sister representing. Oh, good girl. You too cute. You too sexy. Guys, if you would like to see a tutorial on how I achieved this hair, do let me know in the comment section down below. Do let me know what you thought of this look. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe. Please subscribe. I love you guys. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.